Hello and welcome to Must or Bust. I have a special guest with me today, and no, I'm not talking about the donuts.
Oh, come on.
Yeah,
donuts are the best.
We're talking, you want to introduce yourself?
I am Christine.
Christine, what do you do?
I'm a bookkeeper
Cool.
that loves donuts.
You like donuts. So you like donuts and you keep books. So you're probably thinking you may not move around a lot. Is that what you're saying?
That's correct.
And so you're like, I get these cravings. I'm like, I want donuts. I want my snacks.
You know it.
Yes. So this amazing product has been, invented?
I guess.
Yeah.
Somebody brought it.
Somebody came up with this. And it's basically, I'm going to have some screenshots coming up there on your screen of what this is. This is called Empower. It's instant willpower. And what's this supposed to do?
It's supposed to make sugar taste nasty, so you don't want it. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
I'm like, for me, I'm like, well, what if my sugar taste never comes back?
I know, right?
What do I do?
Permanent COVID taste bud loss?
Exactly, and I've heard of that happening for people where their tastes never really come back after COVID. So I'm like, does this kind of do the same thing? I don't know. So we're gonna try this today. So we have with us some fresh Krispy Kreme donuts. Ooh, if those taste bad, you know this thing's working.
Right.
And then I also have some chips. These have either less than or no sugar in them. I'm gonna try those as well and see if they taste normal since they don't have sugar. Does this only make sugar taste bad? So that's what we're gonna try. So we're gonna test this today. So we're gonna actually use the same spray bottle.
That's okay. I'm not a germaphobe.
All right, so there you go. So what this tells us it does is basically it changes the flavor of sugar. It's supposed to boost our mood booster.
That would be a benefit.
And it stops emotional eating triggers, decreases stress, and freshens breath. So I feel like that's just a bonus. And then its main ingredients is biotin, which is basically vitamin B, and chromium. And then it also has a little other ingredients here that I do not recognize, except for peppermint. So you're gonna try this first?
All right, here we go.
Now it does come with instructions.
How many pumps does it tell us
Two
to do?
2 to 3.
2 to 3.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Ooh, minty.
Tastes
Not
good?
the best minty, but
Right, so it's not horrible. It doesn't taste
not horrible.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe I have better breath now.
Now try to encoat the entire tongue. See if you feel
Oh
like
yeah, all over.
I like how it says coat.
Full palate there.
It smells good.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. It smells pepperminty.
Yeah, it kind of cleans your nasal out too.
Oh
you
really?
know?
Like menthol?
Oh yeah.
Sounds like a menthol thing.
Oh
Look at
yeah.
the menthol effect. Here we go. Okay. Also gets on the sides of the mouth too.
Oh yeah, everywhere.
What if this did like the dental stuff and just numbed your mouth?
Well, that's an interesting thought.
Yeah, and we just started slobbering everywhere. All right. So how long do you think we need to wait, Christine?
I don't know.
It's starting to taste bad now. Kind of tastes bad. You get that? Is it better?
Yeah, it's kind of odd. It's not like a breath spray.
No. No, it is not.
It's a little odd.
It's like an aftertaste, like of a bad diet soda.
So they say for improved lasting time, they recommend waiting 20 to 30 minutes after use before eating or drinking. But I'm sorry, I want that donut right now.
I know. And we're not going to edit this. This is going to be real time. I want that donut right now as well to try this. Now, here's the thing. I think what that means is the effects of this stopping my cravings will last longer if I do not eat quicker. Yes, if we wait. Man, I can't imagine how bad a piece of fruit would taste.
Yeah, I wonder.
Like an apple.
Oh, I wonder.
You got an apple?
No, I've got an orange.
Hey, I just like that. That would just taste bad. So I'm gonna grab a donut. I'm afraid to do this. Do you want to go ahead and grab one too?
Okay.
Yeah, we gotta both
It's gonna make me eat a donut.
I have a feeling we're not gonna want to eat this thing.
So maybe we should split one and not waste it.
That's a good idea. We can say that. Let's Sarah, yeah. Sarah wouldn't like that.
Sarah's gonna be mad if we waste a donut on her.
Right. All right.
Notice I got the bigger half.
I'm just afraid it's gonna I'm gonna have a bad.
I don't know. Do you think it's psychological?
It could be, but this tastes bad. Do you not taste that?
I don't know that it's bad. It's just weird.
It's bitter. It's like coffee tastes good and it's bitter. I don't know.
Oh, it's just an odd taste. It's not horrid, but
yeah. Do you think we're gonna be like Tammy here and be blown away?
Oh, we'll find out. I don't know. Maybe we should have a trash can nearby.
We might hurl. All right, here we go.
All right. It doesn't taste like anything.
There's no flavor. Oh, I got a little bit.
I got no flavor. It's like eating...
Air.
There's no sugar.
No, there is no sugar flavor.
I don't taste the sugar at all.
Right. It's taking the sugar flavor out of, which is the fun. It's taking the fun out of the donut.
That's weird.
Are you craving it?
No. It doesn't taste horrible.
No.
But it doesn't taste like anything.
It's just bland.
It's got no flavor. Very odd.
Which, I wonder how much of that is just a sugar-based flavor that we're tasting normally.
Yeah, I don't know.
I guess that's what we crave.
Very odd. Yeah, no, I don't want to eat that no more.
Right.
There's no fun in that. It's not sweet.
Ooh.
Oh, and those taste bad?
Yeah. Those not taste like a potato chip.
They say the salty or the other stuff shouldn't taste bad.
Which I taste salt, but then the potato tastes bad, which isn't potato like a carb?
Not taste like a chip.
Okay.
Maybe you got bad chips.
Oh, no,
that tastes like a Frito.
You want to try that?
Yeah. Got a big one.
Tastes weird, doesn't it?
It's different.
Yeah, it's different.
It's like once you get past it, though, you can taste the chip again.
Right.
I don't know if it's just hiding it. I don't know. It definitely cuts the sugar.
It does.
I wonder if it does false sugars, too.
Yeah, like aspartame?
Well, we'll have to try that one later.
Yeah, I don't have any with me. I feel like it's making me not, I'm swallowing weird. Is this the medicine? It goes in up my throat. Okay.
No, I'm not getting the closed throat. I don't want a donut, though.
No, like, yeah, I don't have a craving for that either, for sure. Goodbye,
the
donut.
salt's kind of good.
What's this?
Ooh.
They're still in the box. All right, so if you were to, is this something you think you'd like to try?
If you want to get away from the sugar, this might do that. But it also might not make you want to eat much of anything else for the next few hours, which I guess could be a benefit too.
Right.
Yeah, tell us if the water tastes weird.
No.
No?
No, yeah, it's normal.
Well, I'll do a quick follow-up video when I do my Mio in a little while.
Okay.
And we'll see how that goes. But
okay.
Because that has the fake sugars in it.
Yes.
And I read somewhere that somebody said the fake sugars react just as bad. Although the reaction of the last video I watched was much worse. It was like, ugh, don't like it. It's horrible. It doesn't taste
I'm
like
not
anything.
getting that. Yeah, I'm not feeling that either. I thought with a donut for sure I would get that vibe if it was that gross. So it's not doing that. But at the same time, I couldn't taste it, and I don't feel myself craving sugar, which is weird, and I always do.
Oh, I'm a sugar hound.
Yeah,
Donuts are my favorite.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, I don't want to eat a donut right now.
Right. I go to bed eating gummy worms. I mean, I just like I love sugar, and I eat like, and I crave it. Like it's like at night too. It's like it's my worst. When's your worst? All day?
No, usually it's after dinner.
After dinner, yeah.
I want something sweet.
Yes, I do too. Yeah, and it's like I want like a donut. I like chocolate, anything like that, and it just. So I'm interested to try that, but I do say I'm not craving anything at this point. So and it's supposed to last a couple hours, 2 to 3 hours.
Right.
So I'll do a follow-up as well, separate from this, and just see how it is. Right now, if I was to rate that, it kind of is everything that it says. It's instant willpower. It's like, and it's instant. So you spray it, you're like, okay, I don't want this anymore. So imagine how that would be though. Like what kind of a world would this be if I instantly did not want sugar?
It would be a sugar-free world.
It'd be a sugar-free world. And then like you said, how about the artificial sweeteners? How would that be, with this? So it's something more to try, but for now, I can tell you, I don't want these donuts. Chips are okay for me, water is normal, and that's kind of what it's marketed to do.
Yeah, so if you have a sweet tooth and you want to curb it, this might be a good way to do that.
Absolutely.
Because I know for me, if I can abstain from the sweet, I don't want it later.
Right.
So if you can do that for a couple weeks, usually that sweet tooth just goes away.
The habit goes away for you, absolutely, yeah. So for me, I'm gonna rate this as a must. I'm gonna give it as a must. It's definitely not a bust at all. It's actually
Worth trying.
It's worth trying, yeah. And I'm interested to see long term how this goes. And you get what, 60 servings in this bottle. So I mean, that lasts a while. I'd say it lasts a month, probably at least, if you use it normally.
Yeah.
So whenever you get those cravings, and it says the more you use it, the more your cravings go away.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. So you kind of, like you said, that habit and the desire kind of goes away. So yeah. So what would you rate this in your own rating?
I would say it's a must try.
I
mean, I don't know that it'll work for everybody because I don't think anything ever works for everybody. But definitely, if you've got a problem or you need help, this is a good way to start.
Okay, very
And
good.
it's inexpensive.
Yeah, it is inexpensive, about $30 for that. So you've got to think long term for your health. It's a lot cheaper than going to the doctor, a lot cheaper than surgeries, and a lot less time off of work. So there you go.
There you go.
Well, thank you, Christine, for helping me do this video.
Very welcome.
Yeah, this is great, and I can't wait to see how this works, and we will do some follow-ups as well. So thank you guys for watching Must or Bust, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, so it has been about an hour since I tried that spray. So I have a fresh apple here, golden and amazing looking. Let's try this. Christine's still at her office, so she's gonna have to see this later. Just like a normal apple. Like I said, it's been about an hour. I haven't eaten anything else since then. It doesn't taste bad. It doesn't taste bad. It's actually pretty good. Now the donut I couldn't taste, but maybe that's why you need to wait that 20 to 30 minutes so the effects last longer. Now I must say I don't have like an appetite like to eat a lot of food right now though, which is really cool. So apparently it's working. That's a good apple. But like I'm not starving or anything, so that's kind of cool too. I like that. Guys, so far, still a must.